Welcome to Savage Nails by Queen Bee. That's me. And today we're going to be doing the Gellen 3D cat eye gel. I'm a little late on everything, so I'm sure you guys have seen all this before, but I haven't. So we're going to do it anyway. Feel free to watch. And if you want to see any of my other videos from here on, like, share, subscribe, and hit the little bell. It'll give you notifications for when my next videos will be. But for today, we're going to try this. Oh, and for the Gellen, you can get it just by the bottle or the package like these. You can get them Amazon. I know. I can put a link in the description down below, or I can try. Let's say I'm going to try. I'm a little technically inclined, and I'm going to do it this, so I'm not exactly sure I'm up to par on doing that, but I'm definitely going to try it for you guys. And then these, you can also get these on Amazon or your local nail supply store. And if I can find the link for them, I'll put them down there too. And then for the UV light, I'll be using this, which is the Max Estrada. And like I said, I'll try to put the link for it down below too. But let's get right in to what we're doing today. This has 4 polishes with it, and we're going to try all 4 of them and see what they look like. Give a little review. Okay. This one is Cat Eyes Gel 0116. Looks like that. And it is a green light color, it looks. Very rich color. I like that. It's very rich. Like I said, I'm a little behind on some of this stuff, so I'm just now getting this product, and I've been seeing it for a while and thought it was gorgeous, but I just haven't got to try it. Oh, I got some right there. Shoot. But I haven't got to try it until now, so I'm pretty excited about it. Trying to decide which color I want on my nails. And we're just gonna, I guess, just do one at a time. We'll see here. A little magnet. These comes with these little magnets. That's what's supposed to make them do the little trick, I guess. You gotta put it on there, and before you put your light on it, then you do this first. And it don't say how long or anything like that. Don't give you any kind of direction. So I'm just kind of guesstimating here, and we're just gonna leave it on there for a minute or so, and we'll see what it does. Try not to tinge it. I also got a regular polish bottle of cat eye stuff. I need to try it. I haven't ever tried to do that. I wonder if there's any difference. Maybe that can be one of our next videos. Like I said, you click on the little bell, subscribe, and then click on the little bell, you get notifications for my videos. Okay, that one's kind of straight up, or most of the time going sideways. Maybe it's the way I held the magnet. Let's see. Oh no. Alright, we're going to put the light on it and cure it. And then we'll try another one. And also, typically when you're doing your nails, you would do 2 coats. You put on a coat of it. You wouldn't do the magnet. You just cure it under the light for, I believe it's 30 seconds. And then the second coat, before you cure it, you would put the magnet over it and do it. So we're just cheating a little bit, but we're just swatching it. That's why I figured it would be okay to do that. Okay. So now we're going to do 018. Okay. And it's like a, I don't know, maybe a purplish, or I don't know, maybe even a burgundy color. It's really pretty though. Okay. Alright, that is really pretty. I really like that one. That one turned out amazing. Okay. The next one is 005. And it is I don't know, that one kind of looks like the same little, like, burgundy or purple color, actually. But it's got a different number, so it's, well, it looks a little bit a different tint, maybe more of a purplish than the other. It seems darker. But so far, for, if I had to say, I give it thumbs up. I'd say 5 stars. Definitely. The colors are rich in color, very thick. It seems to work awesome. The magnet's working. It's doing just like it says, just as it advertises. So I definitely give this review stars all the way down. Same thing. Beautiful. And you can tell there's a little bit of a difference. That's more like a red, and the other one's kind of a purple, I would say. Both of them was really pretty, though. Okay, I'm just guesstimating on the 30 seconds anyways, you guys, so. Alright, the next color I'm gonna guess is blue. Kinda, I don't know, maybe blue, green, something. Let's see. It looks just like the other green. Maybe there's 2 greens and 2, but them 2 in the middle look somewhat different. This one's, because this one's 048. I didn't show that to you guys. A little backwards here. There we go. Okay. Now, we're going to try it this way. I wonder if you can put more than one on there. Let's try. Was it just going to pull it from place to place? I think it is. Okay. Yeah, that one looks gorgeous. I love it. You're going to cure it for what we're going to guess is 30 seconds. guys, like I said, so far this looks absolutely beautiful. I would recommend it. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars. Really, really pretty. Quick, easy. You see, it was no problem. And also, even though would have to do 2 layers on the other, I still don't think it would be much harder than that was. It was pretty simple, and it turned out beautifully. I would definitely wear it, and I can see the difference in the colors now, just a bit. Yeah, they're definitely all different. I really like them. And I'm not sure what my next video is going to be on, but give me some suggestions, some comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you haven't already, subscribe, comment, share, like, all that good stuff. Thank you for all your support. I love you guys. Always remember, just because your life can't be perfect doesn't mean your nails can't. Bye, guys.